Hi friends! Welcome back to Utwashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Karela, also known as bitter melon, also known as pavakkai, is a tropical vine that belongs to gourd families. This vegetable is commonly used in Asian and Indian cuisine that has lots of medical properties. These vines bear green fruits that are really bitter. No wonder why they're called bitter, huh? This variety plant will produce small oval-shaped fruits. These fruits have more natural properties. We are gonna harvest some of the fruits to make some recipes. Today's recipe is an oven-baked bitter melon chip. These chips are super crispy and they're a great healthy snack with a delicious cup of chai. Let's begin by slicing the bitter melon into thin slices. You can use a knife or a slicer. Make sure to slice bitter melon into thin slices, otherwise the chips won't be crispy. Thinner the rings, crispier the chips. Add sliced Karelas into a bowl. Add some salt and turmeric powder and mix well. And set it aside for 30 minutes. This step will help in removing bitterness from the vegetable. Meanwhile, to a mixing bowl, add in besan or chickpea flour, rice flour, cornstarch. This is optional. Red chili powder, and mix well. After 30 minutes, remove Karela and squeeze out any excess water. Add the prepared besan flour mixture and mix well. Add the coated vegetables onto a parchment paper lined baking tray. Bake at a preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the chips are crispy. Remove from oven and let it cool. Look how crispy these chips are. And the best part is there's no bitter taste, and they're super crispy. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!